The following is an installation video of an Intellidyne CAC or AC control and is intended for information purposes only. It does not replace the technical training provided to our certified installers. Intellidyne controls should only be installed by qualified professionals. First, turn off power to the air conditioning condensing unit at the electrical disconnect box. Remove control section access panel and inspect control compartment for any hazardous conditions. Next, determine the mounting location for your CAC module. Ensure you are clear of wiring and other components and maintain appropriate clearance, making sure that you will be able to reinstall the access panel without interference. Install mounting bracket on the Intellidyne control module. The installation of the bracket must be secure. Determine which CAC control wires are to be used and individually cap off unused wires. See printed instructions for further details involving proper wire selection. Secure CAC control module in the control compartment by fastening 2 screws through the mounting bracket, making sure the screws do not penetrate any hidden refrigerant lines or electrical wires. Connect CAC control module power leads to incoming line voltage wiring from power disconnect box. Ensure your wire connections are secure and adequately tightened. You are now ready to make your red and yellow wire connections. Remove control wire from contactor terminal and install an insulated electrical connector on the removed wire. Install a mating connector on the CAC control module yellow control wire and complete wiring connection. Connect the red CAC control module wire to the terminal on the contactor previously used by the control wire. Check that red and yellow wire connections are not reversed. Route and dress all wiring neatly. You are now ready to complete your CAC control wire connections. Install an insulated electrical connector to appropriate common wire. Connect common wire to the common wire terminal on contactor. Check wiring to ensure all connections are secure to safeguard against any electrical shorting conditions. Re-establish power to the air conditioning unit at disconnect box. Turn CAC control switch to on. After powering the CAC control, follow printed instructions for post-installation checkout procedures. Then, reinstall Control Access Panel on the condensing unit. This concludes the demonstration of a properly installed Intellidyne CAC or AC control module. For more information, contact Intellidyne at 1-866-216-0777.